you or someone that you know and love and care about has been arrested, is facing charges right now, there's some things that you need to know, some benefits that this person has to their case before they take a plea or go to trial. I'm Keith Whiddon. I'm a criminal defense lawyer in Louisiana. Number one, the person that is accused of a crime has an absolute right to trial, and that can never, ever be taken away from him or her. Whenever you are arrested for a crime, you can force or make the state or prosecutor prove your guilt or attempt to prove your guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. That means that it is the district attorney or the prosecutor's job to call witnesses. They could be officers, they could be people that were just normal people who allegedly witnessed the crime, or it could be people from labs or people who maintain security footage that come and testify in an effort to prove the prosecutor's case beyond a reasonable doubt. Another benefit or right that a person accused of a crime has is that there is no requirement that the person accused of a crime testify at his or her trial. In fact, they have a constitutional right to remain silent when they go to trial, just like they have a constitutional right to remain silent when they are arrested. No one can make a person accused of a crime take the stand and say anything about their case. In fact, at the end of the day, the only person that chooses whether or not the person accused of a crime is that person, because the prosecutor cannot call the person accused of a crime as a witness, and a defense attorney, I could not call my client to testify in his or her criminal case if they didn't want to. That is his or her choice every single time. Finally, a very important thing that a person accused of a crime needs to know is that you, the accused, always have the right to call your own witnesses. That means that while you have no requirement to testify, if there's someone out there and you say, man, if this judge or this jury could just hear from my next door neighbor, from my sister, from my cousin, from whoever it may be, even if they don't want to come to court, like maybe it's an ex-girlfriend, you could send that person a subpoena, which would require that person who receives the subpoena to come to court, because a subpoena is a legal document signed by a judge, delivered by a sheriff's deputy that says you must come to court. And if that person that you subpoenaed to come to court does not show up, then that person could in fact be put in jail and held in jail until you have your trial. But those are just three of the rights that you need to know if you or someone you love is facing a criminal case. If you have questions about those rights, make sure that you leave a comment down below so we can talk about them in another video. Thank you for watching this video. We've grown so much, and we're now looking to get to 10,000 subscribers. If you enjoyed this content, make sure that you hit the subscribe button below, and to make sure that you see more content from me and channels like me, you ring the bell and click the like button below.